Hey friends, if you wish to download and install Roblox on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for store in the Windows search bar and then go to the Microsoft Store. Okay, and then search for Roblox and hit enter. You can go to Roblox and then you can click on get, and then you'll have to wait a while till Roblox is installed on your system. This is the launcher. Okay, there are many games in Roblox, but this is the Roblox launcher. And the reason I suggest downloading and installing it from the Microsoft Store instead of the website is because, first of all, if it's a third party website, never use that. And as for its original website, it doesn't only install Roblox but also other components. Plus, when you install it through the Microsoft Store, it will check all the dependency and compatibility, etc. Plus, you can be sure that there will be no virus or malware. Click on play after that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.